Meow. My name is Rocky, and I'm very, very curious. Meow. I wonder what's in this. Now, go see my friend Tiger. Oh, hey, Mr. Camera. My name is Tiger, and I have fun every day. I might be a bit crazy, though, at night. I love dog rolls. Meow. And now you get the teacup.
Dude, leave. I'm just a cop.
Fine. And here's the outdoors. Here's the outdoors. Here's the outdoors. Do you like the outdoors? And here is what happens when you be mean the tiger. Nothing. It's just boring. And here is Elmo. It's dumb. Like, look. I don't know if you can see, but it's got a touch. It's gotta be connected to his. Let me get closer. So see this? It's gotta be like and go to his mouth, but it don't, guys. It don't. But bye.